So breakup or rough patches happens, but what if you are looking to rekindle a connection with someone? And today I will walk you around through actionable step to make someone want you again, not through manipulation but by becoming the best version of yourself and reigniting their interest naturally. So let's start it. Point number 1. Give them space. First thing first, give them the space they need. Clinging, constant texting or showing desperation will push them further away, and absence make the heart grow fonder, but only if you allow it. So by stepping back, you give them time to reflect on the relationship and miss your presence. And during this time, resist the huge urge to check their social media or try to provoke a reaction and focus on yourself instead. Point number 2, work on yourself. This is the most important step. Ask yourself what can you improve, and whether it is your physical health, career, emotional intelligence or confidence. And now is the time to grow and what they see that you are thriving, and it makes you more attractive and reminds them of what they are missing. So start a new hobby, hit the gym and focus on your goals, and so becoming a best version of yourself benefits you regardless of whether they come back. Point number 3, reignite positive memories. Once enough time has passed, subtly remind them of the good times you have been shared. And this does not mean flooding them with messages about the past, but if you do reach up bringing up happy memories or something they enjoyed. For example, hey, I just saw that movie we watched together and it reminded me how much fun we had. So it's a light, non-threatening and tap to nostalgia. Now move to the point number 4, show your independence. Independence is attractive. So show them that you are not waiting around their approval or love. And whether it is through a social media or a mutual friend, let it be known that you are doing just fine. And people want what they can't have. And your independence can make you irresistible. So remember, confidence and thriving lives are magnets of attraction. Now move to the last but not the least point, which is point number 5. Be patient and respect their feelings. Lastly, patience is the key, and you can't force someone to want you. And if they reach you, don't jump back into the things too quickly, and respect their pace and take the time to rebuild the trust and connection, and pushing too hard can ruin all the progress you have been made. So making someone you want again, it's not about the tricks or manipulation, it's about becoming the best version of yourself. So whether they come back or not, this process will leave you stronger and more confident. So that's all folks, see ya in next video.